how to put in the pin for the hinge pin, cómo meter los pines de la bisagra de puerta. And this time I want to share this good information, especially when it's like in expensive houses. We have to have very careful. Que en esta ocasión quiero compartirles a ustedes cómo meter los pines de las bisagras en casas caras, donde hay que tener mucho cuidado. So in this time we have like black hinges, and the easy way is like hit with the hammer. La manera más fácil sería golpearla con un martillo, pero corremos con el riesgo que se vaya a despintar. Entonces el detalle es que no tenemos que dañar nada, ¿ok? So most the info I will do in Spanish probably to go faster. Entonces van a haber muchas maneras de poder meter el pin, pero en esta ocasión I want to share the good tip you will get in all these videos in the social media. Okay, it's like many different ways to push in, but the case in this specific case, the pin is like very hard to push in. It's like for some reason have like a silicone grease that make like very hard to push in. I tried already, and I tried like many different ways. One of the ways you can do, alguna de las maneras, podría ser que pongan el desarmador y golpeen, ¿okay? Pero hay que tener mucho cuidado con las pinturas de las paredes y la puerta, puesto que es lacquer y sprayado, las estas. Y si hacemos esto, vamos a poder probablemente despintar acá. Luego también podemos usar this another tool I have. Let's see if I have here in my pouch. If the info is not complete in this social media, go to YouTube. You can see the video complete. So this is like hammer, but the same. If I hit with this one, then like we can create damage on the pin, and we don't want that. Si lo hacemos con este pin, probablemente vamos a generar un daño en la bisagra y eso no lo queremos. Y este funciona de esta manera, ¿ok? No queremos hacer eso. Así que we have to jump to another way. So the next way I did a live video in Facebook when I was cutting this tool. So with this one, this can give you 300 pounds, the compressor, okay? So we can do like this way. Let's try. Sometimes we can make with this one, okay? So let's try it now. Okay, let's go close to this one. Acércale la cámara. All the hinges are the same, okay? Like this one, we have to a little space. Go close. Okay, so we have to make even, okay? So let's try do with this one. Okay? And we have to give some space between casing and doors, like we don't damage, okay? So let's try with this one. Sometimes it's work, sometimes it's not. When it's like too strong, okay? Okay, it's going. Okay, it looks like even right there, okay, with this one. The other way you can do is de la otra manera que lo pueden hacer. Ahorita lo hicimos con esta manera, ya quedó ahí plano, ok. Es esta otra herramienta. Esta herramienta es específica for make even the cabinets, okay. But in this case, we are using for this situation because some things are like too hard, like to push in. Like this one we saw, like with that tool, is supposed to give like 300 pounds, and still is like very hard to push in. So with this one, we can try with this one, and let's try. Okay, we can put like this way. Okay, that's same. Let's check it. Acércalo. This one has some marks already. So that is good. ¿Se miraba ahí bien? ¿Se miraba bien el espacio? Okay, so let's try with this one now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or follow me in the social media. Okay, so let's try. This is good tip for this kind of situation. Okay, then we can use this to make it easier. We have to have very careful with the walls. I don't touch the walls or the door. We have to check how it's going. It's need a little more and it's done. Don't forget to give me a comment what you think about this detail. Give a thumbs up and share so other people can get this good tip for this kind of situation. No olviden comentar qué les ha parecido, dármele un like si ha sido de su agrado, compartir para que otras personas tengan este tip que les puede ser de mucha ayuda. Ok. Okay, and things look right there. Let's give a little more. Yeah, right there. Okay, you have to go check little by little to make sure so you don't type too much, because then can get break this part, and then like $20 cost this too. So it's better like check it, don't tie too much when it's like hit the pin with the hinges, okay? No olviden estar inspeccionando cuando vaya a pegar ya el pin hacia la bisagra, para que de esa manera no vayan a apretar de más esta pieza y se les vaya a quebrar y van a perder $20 o $30, parece que cuesta cada una de estas piezas. Recordarles que si aún no se han suscrito a mi canal de YouTube, los invito a suscribirse, a seguirme en las demás redes sociales, darle like si les ha gustado, compartir para que más personas tengan la oportunidad de aprender de estos tips que les voy a estar compartiendo en cada uno de mis videos. También comentar si les ha sido de mucha ayuda para ustedes. Así de que fue un gusto, un placer, nos veremos en el próximo video.